Mostly drugs used in COVID-19 management. Note: this video is only for information purpose. Please do not take any kind of medication without prescription of doctors. A mild to severe respiratory illness which is caused by coronavirus, which is transmitted by infectious material or surface contaminated by causative agent, and specially characterized by fever, cough and shortness of breath, and may be progress to pneumonia or respiratory failure. Symptoms are: most common symptoms fever, dry cough and tiredness. Less common symptoms: body ache and pain, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, loss of taste or smell and headache. Serious symptoms: difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, and loss of speech or movement. Mostly drug used in COVID-19 management. Tablet Fabiflu. It is an antiviral medicine used for treatment of mild to moderate coronavirus disease in adults. It stops the virus from multiplying and therefore decreases the viral load in body. Tablet Azithromycin. It is an antibacterial or antibiotic medicine used for treatment of infections of ear, lungs, throat, tonsils, airways and nasal passages. Treatment of lungs infection due to coming in contact with an infected person or pneumonia. Tablet Doxy. It is a tetracyclic antibiotic that fights bacteria in the body, used in treatment of respiratory tract infection, other treatment including sexually transmitted disease. Tablet Dolo. Used to treat fever, pain and body ache. Tablet Limcy. It consists of vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, support the iron absorption in body. Capsule Bicosuls. Capsule Bicosuls is a multivitamin supplement, contain vitamin B complex, helps to maintain immune system and energy levels. Tablet Ecosprin. It is an antiplatelet medicine used to prevent the risk of heart attack, stroke and chest pain. Injection Remdesivir. Remdesivir is an antiviral medicine being used for confirmed case of COVID-19. It is a broad-spectrum antiviral drug. It is used in adults and adolescents who are hospitalized due to coronavirus disease when patient oxygen saturation is less than 94%. Injection Deriphyllin. It is a combination of two bronchodilators, that is etophilin and theophylline, work by widening the air passage in lungs, which allows to breathe patient more easily and feel less congested. Used for asthma and COPD also. Injection Ondansetron. It is used to prevent nausea and vomiting caused by drug therapy.